the open sky. Black elephants stand proudly near the water's edge, casting long dramatic shadows in the golden hour light. Ooh, 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 ooh. Light ducks gracefully glide across a calm, reflective lake, their bright feathers creating striking contrast against